books is like a body without soul. These are the famous lines of a great philosopher, Cicero. Hello everyone, this is Rita Yadav and you are on Gate Chemical Planet, a planet of knowledge and information. So I welcome back all of you on Gate Chemical Planet. This session is going to be very interesting for all chemical engineers. If you are preparing for your semester examination or for GATE and PSU examination and even for your interview preparation, this session is going to be very beneficial for all of you. So in my last session, we have discussed the standard books, what are standard books, how to choose the standard books, types of standard books and the role of standard books for competitive exams in chemical engineering and also for other branches. So in this session, we will discuss what are the types of textbook and the reference books for chemical engineering students for competitive exams. So now most of the students asked me a question about how to use the standard books and what are the types of standard books we can use for competitive exams. And most of the times many students are confused about the standard books in chemical engineering. So for their convenience, I will show you some of the textbook and reference books and also some practice books for chemical students for their competitive exams. So now come to my computer screen. Here I will show you various types of reference books and also the practice books and textbook used for chemical engineers in competitive exams. So here we will discuss standard books for GATE 2022 for chemical engineering. So first I will give you a brief idea about standard books. Standard books are those books written by expert or person having a specialization in that particular subject. Standard books are the original source of concept, derivation, graphs, formula and data. So standard books are very important for competitive exams. For your convenience, I divided standard books in two types. First is the textbook and second is the reference books. Because the data and the information given in these books are very accurate, so we can say that these books are very important to learn or to study for competitive exams. But if you are preparing for any competitive exam just like GATE exam, then you have to go with some practice books also to score the under 100 rank. If you want to score good rank, then you have to practice more questions in last year GATE examination. So these books are very beneficial to practice the previous year question of GATE. So here I will give you an idea about the textbooks. What are textbooks? Textbooks are those books which your professor suggests you for your semester exams and also for competitive preparation. And these books are very important to build the strong concept and apply those concepts for the GATE exam or other exams. So now what is the importance of reference books? Reference books are used when you stuck anywhere to understand the concept and also not able to solve numericals of GATE previous year. So these books are very important to apply those concepts for analyzing the new problems. So here for your convenience, I have also given you the role in terms of percentage of these books. The percentage of textbook books for competitive exam is according to me 40% and reference books is 30% and role of practice books to gain good rank in GATE examination is of 30%. So you have to also see some practice books for GATE examination. So I will give you an idea about the name of practice books for GATE examination also. First we will discuss books for mathematics and aptitude. As we all know that in GATE examination, engineering mathematics also comes, and the average marks for engineering mathematics is from 13 to 15 marks. And for aptitude, most of the time 15 marks questions comes. And for technical portion, 70 to 72%. 70 to 72 marks questions comes from the technical portion. So if you are in second year or third year, then I will recommend you textbook for mathematics, higher engineering mathematics, B.S. Grewal. But if you are in final year, pass out or dropper, then you don't have time to go for primary books just like B.S. Grewal. Then you can go with Made Easy textbook. This book is very good collection of questions for all the branches except chemical engineering. The GATE previous year questions of chemical engineering are not included in this book, but you will find a very good questions of all the branches which comes in GATE examination in this book. You can complete this book for the practice of mathematics question. If you have complete this book, then definitely you will be in good position to secure good marks in mathematics. So this is very good book. You can go with this book if you are in final year, dropper or pass out. Okay, so if you don't have more time for these books, then there is another option. You can go with video lectures of GATE Academy. GATE Academy video lectures on mathematics are very good. So you can watch on YouTube channels also of GATE Academy. So now we will move on to the aptitude books. So aptitude comes from 13 to 15 marks every year in GATE examination for chemical branch. So aptitude is divided in two parts. First is the reasoning and second is the English. So these two books from the Made Easy publication on general English and reasoning and aptitude are very good to practice more questions. And my recommendation for aptitude is to complete the aptitude on regular basis. On regular basis you have to do more practice of reasoning and English questions regularly. So now we will discuss text and reference books for chemical engineering. For chemical engineers, first important subject which is very basic subject is process calculation. So here I have written you the textbook and reference books. I am suggesting you only two best books. First is the textbook and second is the reference books for all the subject. Okay. So if you are following these books, I can surely say that you can score more than good rank in GATE examination. Under 100 or under 50 rank you can achieve in GATE examination if you are following these books. So the textbook is the David Hamel-Blue. This is the book for process calculation to build the concept and to apply those concept in GATE previous year question. You need to study with this book. And second is the good book which is DC Sikdar Chemical Process Calculations. What is the good thing with this book? This book is very good because material and energy balance calculations, recycle, purge calculation and degree of freedom analysis questions given in this book are very good and in good sequence. So there is no wastage of time if you are following this book for GATE exam. Okay, so now we will move on to the second subject, thermodynamics. For thermodynamics, I am giving you textbook. Use textbook always, Smith and Van Ness. And for reference, go with K.V. Narayana. K.V. Narayana book is also very good. And the number of questions given in this book is very good. And the concept given in this book is very good. You can apply these concepts to solve many problems in previous year GATE questions. So for fluid mechanics, the textbook I am suggesting you McCabe and Smith, Unit Operation in Chemical Engineering, because the theory portion of McCabe Smith is very attractive, and language is also easy. There is no language problem with McCabe Smith, so you can go with this book for fluid mechanics. Some of the portion of pumps are also given in this book. In gate examination, a lot of questions from pump side come in the examination. So the pump portion of centrifugal pumps, reciprocating pumps, you can complete with this book also. And the second book I suggest you is the Sengil. Sengil is very good book to build the concept also, as well as for numerical portion also. So if you are going for these two books, then there is you don't need any book to follow for fluid mechanics, because these two books are sufficient for fluid mechanics. And then the next subject is mechanical operation. For mechanical operation, again I am suggesting you to study with McCabe and Smith, because mechanical operation given in McCabe Smith is very accurate and in sequence according to the syllabus of the gate examination. And second book I am suggesting you as a reference book, which is a Coulson Richardson book. And Coulson Richardson having a lot of volumes, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3 and volume up to 6. So volume 1 is sufficient for fluid flow, heat transfer and mass transfer. The entire thing is given in fluid flow. And if you are solving some more questions on mechanical operation, then you can go with another volume of Coulson and Richardson. Coulson Richardson is basically a handbook. Coulson Richardson have more than 6 volumes, and in all the volumes are very good, and the questions given in the Coulson Richardson is very beneficial for this subject also. So if you are following these two books, in my view, there is no need to follow other books if you are perfectly studying with this book. So now we will move on to the next subject, which is heat transfer. For heat transfer, I suggest you Binay K. Datta as a textbook. Binay K. Datta is very good book and easy to study also. The language is very good. Very simple language is given in B.K. Datta, and heat transfer in B.K. Datta is marvelous. Awesome. It is awesome given in this book. So reference book for heat transfer is Eunice Sengil. I am suggesting you. Why I am suggesting you Eunice Sengil for reference? Because the theory portion with example given in the Sengil of heat transfer is very good, and some more real life examples of heat and mass transfer are given in this book. So when you will go for any interview, then this book will help you a lot in interviews. So for interview purpose and for other things, for to build the concept, this book is very good. Okay, so these two books are sufficient for heat transfer. Now we will move on mass transfer. For mass transfer, basically the most important book is Trebol. This is the textbook in many universities, IITs, NITs, and also in private universities. So this is the book which is very good to build the concept and to apply those concepts in previous year questions. Sometime direct question, logic based question, concept based question in mass transfer comes from this book. So it is very important to study with this book. If you are in second year or third year, then go with this book. Okay, and if you are pass out, you don't have sufficient time to learn the basic concept, and you have your proper notes, you have notes from some coaching institute, then you can go with B.K. Datta also. B.K. Datta is a good book, and theory portion as well as the numerical portion of B.K. Datta is excellent. So you can go with B.K. Datta also. B.K. Datta is a reference book, but textbook is Trebol. So now move on to the other mass transfer portion. So this is good for newly added topics. As you all know, newly added topics are added in GATE 2021 syllabus. So for membrane separation processes, filtration, ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis, you can go with Kaushik and Nath. And if you want to watch videos on membrane separation processes, you can watch my playlist on membrane separation processes. Also, the link of all the videos on newly added topics are given in the description box. You can watch my all videos on newly added topics. Here I will also tell you that J.D. Cedar and Henley Cedar is also a good book for separation processes and principles, but this book is very lengthy book. So you have to only complete a small portion of membrane separation processes in for GATE exam. So you can go with this book. This is the simple book. Language is very simple and small portion is coming in GATE examination. So you can go with this book. If you are involved in research and your idea is to do MTech, then you can go with this book for research purpose. So now I will show you some books for chemical reaction engineering also. For chemical reaction engineering, I am suggesting you two textbooks. One is the Octave Levenspiel and second is the H.S. Fogler. Why I am suggesting you these two books as a textbook? Because in chemical reaction engineering, there are two portions. First is the CRE 1 and second is the CRE 2. So for CRE 1, I am suggesting you Fogler. And for CRE 2, I am suggesting you, for CRE 1, I am suggesting you Levenspiel, and for CRE 2, catalyst portion and heterogeneous reaction, I am suggesting you Fogler. These two books are very excellent book. So you have to go with these books. If you are preparing for chemical reaction engineering, then there is no need to concern other books except these three books. Okay. For reference, I am suggesting you Smith. Because for catalyst deactivation, you have to see some other books. Catalyst deactivation is also given in Fogler. But if you want to see in detail, more details, then you can also go with Smith. Smith is the reference book. So these two books are sufficient for chemical reaction engineering. The theory portion, the numerical portion of these two books are marvelous, awesome books. So now I will tell you the text and reference books for instrumentation and process control. For IPC, these two books are sufficient. Don't go with other books because these two books are sufficient for theory as well as for numericals. And you can also see some previous year questions in GATE practice books for this subject. This subject is a small subject and 5 to 6 sometime 8 marks questions comes from IPC. So don't waste time on more books. These two books are sufficient. First textbook is the Kufner. Kufner is a very good book. I am suggesting you this as a textbook. Okay. And second is the Stephanopoulos. Stephanopoulos is a very good book for reference. So the theory and numerical portion given in the Kufner is sufficient. If you need more questions, then you can go with Stephanopoulos. For plant design and economics, the textbook is M.S. Peter and Timberhorse. This is the best book for plant design. And second, I am suggesting you go with M.B. Joshi also. M.B. Joshi is also a very good book. And second reference book is Coulson and Richardson. So the heat design portion given in the the heat exchanger design portion given in the M.V. Joshi is awesome. So if you are any problem facing, then go with this book. Okay. So for Timberhorse is very good book, but the drawback of this book is it is very lengthy book. So you have to select the portion of topics which comes in GATE examination. Then you have to prepare your own notes with the help of Timberhorse. Otherwise it will take a long time to study with this book. This subject comes in GATE examination of 4 marks, I think. So complete this subject from this book by preparing your own notes. Okay. Or you can find notes on some coachings also. Now we will move on to the next subject, which is chemical technology. For chemical technology, these are two best books I am suggesting you: Dryden, Outline of Chemical Technology, and Shreves, G.T. Austin Shreves. These are the two best books for chemical technology. So first I will give you one drawback with these books. These books are also lengthy books. Sometime you will feel bored with these two books. So just watch the video lectures of some academies, coaching institutes also, if you are feeling bored with this book. But at the initial phase of your preparation, go with Dryden and Shreve also. For this you can select the syllabus of GATE previous year, and according to the syllabus just select the topics which are coming in the examination regularly, and then makes notes with the help of these two books. Otherwise these two books are very very good, but sometimes student may feel boring with these books because the theory portion given in these books are very very lengthy. So now we will come on practice books for GATE. For practice, last year previous question on GATE, the awesome book is M. Shubhu. M. Shubhu has written two types of books. One is An Insight into Chemical Engineering, and second is the 5 volumes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 volumes of Gateway to Chemical Engineering. In these types of books, the short notes is given and the previous year questions are given subject wise. And this is the book, very good book, An Insight into Chemical Engineering. In this book some short notes are given and then the previous year questions are given. Questions of chemical engineering are given topic wise, and instant notes for reference and revision are also given in these books. So these books are excellent books for the revision also, and lot of short notes are given, so you can revise your theory also with the help of these books. And if I talk about the accuracy of the questions, the accuracy of the questions are awesome. I think there is no mistake to solve any question. I have seen all these books, so you can go with these books for previous year questions of GATE. So now the another book is the chapter wise previous year solved questions on chemical engineering by Nikhil Kumar Gupta. Here chapters wise previous year questions, solved questions papers are given from 2000 to 2018. Okay, so this is very good book. 3 practice sets are also given. Most of the times student complain me about this book, but and they said that there are some problems in solving the question because their answer are different from given in the book. So my recommendation is you have to see the answer key of GATE previous year questions, okay, and then you have to solve these questions by your own, okay. Otherwise for the theory purpose and the practice purpose, and the questions are very good of this book, you can also see this book. And another book is O.P. Gupta. This is very very good book, best book for interview. This is the best book for all the sources of PSU examinations. This is the real source of all information about the PSU entrance examination. So if some diploma candidates are also here, then for IOCL, MRPL, HPCL examination, this is the awesome book. You can go with this book if you are watching this video. Lot of good practice questions of 1 marks are given in this book. So for GATE, if I consider 1 marks question, 1 marks questions are very very good in this book. So if you are a chemical engineering student and going for competitive exam, then purchase the new edition of this book. The another book for practice purpose of GATE previous year question is the Ram Prasad, Dr. Ram Prasad, GATE Chemical Engineering. Okay, a wide range of questions for all the GATE subjects along with solved previous year GATE questions from 2003 to 2019 are given. In this book, some model paper you will get for the practice. So this is also very good book. The level of questions are good for GATE examination. Or my recommendation is for all of you is that if you are preparing for GATE 2022, then you have to purchase some new edition of books. Otherwise, other old books are available on internet also, and some telegram channel also. You can go with those books. Otherwise, it is important to purchase some new edition of books, because in new edition there is maybe a less chances of mistakes in the questions. So now we will move on to the another book, which is GATE Tutor, also by the Nikhil Gupta. Okay, so what are the qualities of this book? In this book, the entire syllabus has been divided into 3 units. First is the general aptitude is given, engineering mathematics is also given in this book, and chemical engineering technical portion is also given in this book. In this book, some unit tests are also given. Unit test and also the previous year questions after every topic for quick revision is given in this book. And you will see previous 9 years solved papers from 2012 to 20 is given in this book. GATE Tutor is also very good book. If you are finding any mistake in question, it does not mean that a book is not good. There is always a chances of improvement in any book. Okay, so you can learn with theory and the concept portion, and for quick revision purpose this book is good. And if you are finding any problem in the numerical portion, then check your answer with the GATE answer key. Okay, then you will be more comfortable with GATE Tutor. Okay, so I think you all are now clear with the standard books, textbook, reference books for competitive examination in chemical engineering. So now thank you so much. Have a nice day. Subscribe to GATE Chemical Planet and share the videos as much as possible.